How can I fix a line busy error while calling?
Hello, everyone. Have you ever tried to make a call and received the frustrating line busy error? Today, we're going to discuss this issue, understand why it happens, and most importantly, provide some solutions on how you can fix it yourself.
What does line busy mean?
The line busy message typically means that the phone number you're trying to reach is engaged in another call. It can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to get in touch urgently. Sometimes, however, this message might persist even when the other line is not genuinely busy, which may be due to issues with your phone or network.
How to fix a line busy error?
If you consistently see the line busy error, here are some steps you can follow to try and resolve the issue. Step 1. Retry the call. The easiest and most straightforward step is to hang up and try calling again. The person you're trying to reach might finish their current call and be available to talk. Step 2. Check your signal. If the line remains busy, you should check your phone signal. You might be in a weak signal area, which can cause problems with calls. If your signal is weak, try moving to a location with a better signal and retry the call. Step 3. Restart your phone. If you're still experiencing problems, restart your phone. This can often fix minor issues that might be causing problems with calling. Step 4. Update your phone software. Another common problem can be out-of-date software. Check if there's an update available for your phone software, and if there is, install it. Updated software often contains fixes for bugs that might cause issues like this. Step 5. Contact your service provider. If none of the above steps work, you should contact your service provider. They can check if there are any issues on their end that might be causing the problem.
Preventing line busy errors.
To prevent facing this issue often, ensure you regularly update your phone software, stay in areas with good signal strength when making calls, and keep your phone in good working condition. And that wraps up our guide to fixing the line busy error. With these steps, you should be able to solve this issue and get back to making calls as usual. Remember, if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to your service provider for further assistance. Good luck, and happy calling!